Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ali. My ID student is 2021203066. Today I will present my individual assignment. The name is my application is online speedy train. Okay. Now I will present my application. This is my application. If the user doesn't have an account, the user need to sign up first. Let's say we put ADLI. If the user doesn't enter the password and then click the register, we will pop up the please enter your password. So the user need to input the password. If the user put into the wrong confirm password, will be pop up your password didn't match. So the user need to input the password and confirm password with the match. And then need to select the gender. Now we have in the login page, the user need to enter the sign up username and password. If the user input the wrong password, will be pop up invalid username or password, or need to sign up first. Let's say the user put the right password, we go to the home page. This is my home page. As you can see in the right top of corner, this is button. The user can go to home, select depart and log out. First, user need to select the origin, which if the user from the Ipoh and want to go to KL Central, the users also need to enter the date. Let's say 11 July 2023 and click this to confirm. This will be stored into the TinyDB and display on the list view. Okay, now the user can click the search. Okay. Also on the right top of the corner, this is button. You can go home, select depart and log out. Also on the top, as you can see, this is select depart ticket, which is we have three options. Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. Also include the time, depart and arrive, and have a price for a person. Now let's pick the number 1 option and select number 1. Pets 8. I mean 2. Okay, this is pet. Okay, now the user need to enter the seat. The user need to also click the button calculate to know the price, and then click this to confirm. Okay, this will be stored into the TinyDB and display on list view also. Okay. If the user click the proceed the payment, will be please go to nearby station to proceed the payment. If the user change their mind uh, to change their train, let's say we clear the booking and the user from Ipoh and destination want to go to Penang, and then the user also need to enter the date. Let's say 12 July 2023, and then click the confirm, will be display the origin, destination and date. And then the user need to click the button search. Also will be go to the this here. Also we have three options. Option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3. And then the user need to select the depart ticket, which is number 3. And then the user need to enter the pets. Let's say 4 people. And then the user need to enter their seat. Now the user need to click also the calculate the price to know their price, and then click this confirm. Okay. Now as you can see, the The select depart is number 3. The select patch is number 4. This is their seats. And this is a price. Okay. And then if the user proceed the payment, they will go to please go to nearby station to proceed the payment. Now I will explain my blocks. Okay, this is my blocks. Okay, this is for login page. As you can see, the user need to enter the username, password. If the user uh, the user not input the password, will be notified by please enter your password and please enter username. And also if the password and username didn't match, will be pop up invalid username password or sign up first. If the user successful login, will be message login successful and this button is okay. Now I will explain for sign up page. Okay, the user need to input the username, password, confirm password and password. If the username not input the password, will be pop up here, which is please enter your confirm password, please enter your password, please enter username. If the password and confirm password doesn't match, will be notice your password didn't match. And also this will be stored into the TinyDB, and this is the speaker, which is we have male and female. And also we pass to the login page. Now I explain to my home page. Okay, this is my list speaker, which is select repair origin, Ipoh, KL, Batu, and Alostar. Destination, which is have for also Ipoh, KL, Batu, and Alostar. And this is date picker. So the user need to pick the date. If the all this input will be stored into the TinyDB. And I also create a initialize global, which is select ticket, will be stored into the empty list. And if the user click button search, will go to the select depart ticket. This is my select depart ticket blocks. As you can see, I also initialize the TinyDB global select depart. When the user enter the select depart, which is we have 3 options. Option number 1, 2, and 3. This is my select patch, which is have 1, 2, 3. And if the user click the button uh, calculate, this is my calculation. If the user enter the select patch is 1, will be price 50 ringgit. Select patch is 2, the price will be 30 ringgit. Select 3 is the price will be 45 ringgit. And select patch is 4 will be 60 ringgit. I also create the TinyDB, and the initialize global is select depart, will be stored into the empty list. And this is my TinyDB and store into the empty list. And then if the user click the payment, will be show please go to nearby station and proceed the payment. Okay, this is my right top of the corner button I just say in the beginning of video, which is we have home, select depart, and log out. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.